In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Dropbox links with non-members. Dropbox has revolutionized the way we store and share files, offering a seamless platform that enables users to access documents from anywhere, anytime. One of its standout features is the ability to share files with individuals who don't have a Dropbox account, ensuring that collaboration is not limited by membership. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in dropbox.com. This will take you to the home page of Dropbox, where all your stored files and folders are a click away. But before you can access them, you'll need to log into your account. Upon reaching the Dropbox homepage, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Clicking it will redirect you to the login page, where you're provided with several options for accessing your account. For a smooth and fast login experience, I recommend using the Continue with Google option, especially if your Dropbox account is linked to your Google account. This method bypasses the need to manually enter your login details and speeds up the process significantly. Once logged in, your next step will be to navigate to your files. Click on the Files section, easily found in the left-hand sidebar. This area is where all your stored data resides, neatly organized for easy access. Now locate the specific file you wish to share. Dropbox's user-friendly interface allows you to easily browse through folders and files, or use the search bar for quicker access. After finding the file, click on it to select. You'll notice that upon selection, various options become available, including the ability to share the file. If you know the email address of the person you wish to share the file with, you can enter it directly. Dropbox will then send an invitation to access the file to that email, even if they're not a Dropbox user. This method is direct and works well if sharing with only one or a few individuals. However, if you're looking to share with a wider audience or through a platform where typing in every email isn't feasible, creating a shareable link is your best bet. Dropbox provides a simple way to create a link that you can copy with just a couple of clicks. Once this link is generated, anyone who has it can access the file. No Dropbox account required. This is especially useful for sharing via social media, mass emails, or any platform where pasting a link is easier than sending individual invites. Here's an additional tip. When you create a shareable link, Dropbox offers settings to control what recipients can do with the file. You can set permissions such as view only or allow editing, giving you control over how your file is used. In summary, Dropbox's sharing features bring a level of convenience and efficiency to file sharing that's hard to match. Whether sharing directly to an email or creating a link to distribute widely, the process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Remember, you have control over your shared files, and setting the appropriate permissions ensures your documents remain secure while fostering collaboration. And that's it. You've just learned how to share a Dropbox file with non-members. This feature opens up numerous possibilities for collaboration and sharing, ensuring that your files reach the intended audience, whether they're part of the Dropbox community or not. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on making the most out of your digital tools and platforms. Happy sharing!